class is making you stressed and sad? Then hurry up and check out our stress school supplies. Massaging marker, pencil sharpening donut, and ice cream pen will help you overcome any stressful situation. Dolly is not herself in art class today. Pencils are being broken and stress is building. Next thing you know, she's on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Relax! Cindy has a cute donut that will help both Dolly and her broken pencils. Cut out a donut out of a sponge. Make a rectangular hole at the side and stick a pencil sharpener into it. Cut glaze out of a foam rubber sheet and hot glue it onto the sponge. Cut thin foam rubber sheet strips into sprinkles. Decorate the glaze. Dolly doesn't understand what she would need a sponge donut for. Does her friend actually want her to take a cold shower in order to get rid of stress? But the truth is way simpler. There's a pencil sharpener hidden inside the squishy donut. Both Dolly and her hands calm down while she sharpens her pencils. Our teacher is outraged. Cindy faces the music over her mistakes on the test. We need to calm Miss Smith down immediately, and I know the way to do it with my massaging felt tip pen. Make 2 holes in a ping pong ball using an awl. Stick wire inside. Bend and twist the ends together. Heat an awl and make a hole in a marker. Insert the wire with the ball attached. Fasten it with hot glue. Cover the ball with dots of hot glue. This tiny massaging device relaxes the teacher's tense back at once. It's so good! A relaxing break in the middle of a hard school week. Miss Smith cheers up right away. The students' mistakes do not seem to be that bad now. A happy teacher is the key to success in studying. Cindy finds a mysterious object on the desk. What is it? Paper clips, crayons, or an eraser? It's some kind of a school supplies hybrid. But Dolly calms her friend down. It's just a game. You just need a magnet to make the paper clips come to life. Hot glue a magnet to a marker cap. Fill a jar with metallic paper clips. Trace the jar on an eraser. Cut it out and hot glue it to the bottom. Cut an empty tea-light container and wrap it to make a cone. Fasten it with hot glue. Slice crayons and melt and pour them into the cone. Put the jar cap into the melted wax and wait for the crayons to harden. Take off the cone and shape it using a knife. Now you can move paper clips inside the jar with a magnet. Cindy figures out how this paperclip game works. She is mesmerized by the laws of physics. Magnetic field in action. And in addition to this, you can play tic-tac-toe with a crayon and marker. This jar is full of peace and fun. Our Miss Smith is sad for some reason. She has a post-vacation depression. I can't check these stupid students' notebooks for much longer. The teacher wants to be on a warm tropical beach. We need to cheer her up right now. I've got an idea. A bright and fun globe will help to liven our tired Miss Smith up. Take a small globe. Cover the seas and oceans on it with blue acrylic paint. Attach light clay to all the continents. Use different colors and form different kinds of shapes. Let the clay harden for 5 minutes. We sneak the bright globe onto our teacher's table while she sees palm trees and coconuts in her dreams. Poor teacher! These spelling mistakes can tire anybody out. Miss Smith sees the bright globe once she wakes up. It's so cute! The teacher brightens up right away. She's already planning where she'll spend her next vacation. Dolly is making her next masterpiece. But a mysterious vial turns out to be in her case. And there are gel balls inside of it. And how am I supposed to take them out? Maybe I should break it and the balls will fall out on their own. But Cindy stops her friend. You don't need to break anything. It's just a marker. Cover Orbeez with water and let them grow for 5 minutes. Put the balls into a test tube. Take wadding out of a marker and insert it into the test tube. Fasten it with hot glue. Decorate it with colorful tape. And put on a cap. You should try drawing with this creative marker because this is a writing stress reliever in action. So enjoy the balls inside the marker. None of Cindy's pens are working, and the teacher is talking very fast. I need to find a replacement immediately. She discovers something more interesting than just a pen in her friend's case. This is ice cream, and you can take notes with it. Break crayons and melt them in a microwave. Cut a cardboard plate and wrap it to make a cone. Fasten it with hot glue and cut off the tip. Stick a pen inside. Pour melted crayons into the cone. Hold it carefully so that you don't burn your fingers. Pour melted bright crayons into a semi-sphere mold. Connect the semi-sphere with the cone when the wax gets a bit harder. Correct the edge of the ice cream scoop with a lighter. Cindy adores ice cream, and if you really can write with it, then it's her favorite dessert now. But you cannot only write with this ice cream. You can also use the crayons on it for drawing. That's an excellent idea, and it looks very tasty. Miss Smith is a real smart cookie. She plays phone games during class, but she doesn't even allow us to use phone calculators. No way! Freedom Equality School! If we are not allowed to use gadgets, then Miss Smith has to hide her phone too. And what is she supposed to do now? Be bored out of her mind and just stare at the globe? That's not happening. Miss Smith has an entertaining notebook. Hot glue a foam rubber sheet to a hardcover notebook. Take foam rubber sheets of different colors and cut them into half-inch strips. Put them vertically and make a maze out of them. Hot glue the strips to the cover. Put a ball inside. Cover the maze with clear plastic. Our Miss Smith is old school. She remembers the times when phones hadn't been invented yet, and students were having fun in class without them. A simple and classic maze in a notebook, a timeless game, and the most important thing is that its battery never dies. I need a pen of an unusual color, but there is nothing like that in my bag. Let's hunt for one in my friend's case. But there aren't any school supplies in her case at all. What does she carry in it? Legos. What for? To relieve stress in class. Hot glue a wide Lego brick to a pencil case. Attach more pieces on top of it and make any picture. For example, a funny face. Cindy has a whole case of Legos. Make anything you want with these pieces. Even strict Miss Smith won't mind that, because playing with Legos is so much fun. Let's build a school model on the case. The principal will be so happy. Art class is one more reason to be stressed, because there are only smudges on Dolly's painting. How can she be so clumsy? But Cindy has such a neat and clean painting. That's it. Dolly is done with art, unless Miss Smith loans her a calming brush. Hot glue a broken brush into a clear silicone tube. Put glitter and sparkles inside. Pour glycerin in it, but leave some space. Cover the hole on the tube with hot glue. Miss Smith figures out the point of meditation art. Even if you have blots and your painting is ruined, there is no need to worry. Just play with this calming brush. Look at the glitter going smoothly with the flow, and you feel peace and quiet flowing to you. Anti-stress art is our teacher's favorite hobby. Did you like our anti-stress school supply ideas? Then write in your comments how you will calm down in class. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on Troom.